Welcome to the 2025 Economic Depression and Preparation Channel. Thank you for joining me on this Monday, April 21st, 2025 edition. Please hit that like button, subscribe button as we continue to interpret financial news as it becomes available. I appreciate all of your support here today. Right now, we're looking at the Dow Jones dropping over 1,000 points today as it continues its slide into recession territory. Dollar also sinks. The U.S. dollar continues to go down according to MarketWatch.com. Gold goes up today and Bitcoin goes up today. So this is what we have going on here in this slowing of the economy here. Dow Jones dropped over 1,047 points or 2.7%. The S&P 500 dropped 2.8% and the NASDAQ composite tumbled 3.1% on the average there. So now we're at 38,170.41 for the Dow, as you can see here. And Fed Chair Jerome Powell has not signaled a rate cut or a rate changes in rates so far this year. As I told you, I predicted that we won't see a rate cut this year until later on, possibly September, October, November, for our first 25 basis point rate cut, and rates are going to be unchanged. In the meantime, we have gold continuing to hit record highs. Gold rose above $3,400 here an ounce for the first time after surging 2.9% on Monday, according to the Bloomberg.com article here. And so you can see the gold is rising. U.S. currency is falling to its lowest level since the value of it since late 2023 here. And even though this is growing pains here, we can see that things are reacting here with these markets here. People are waiting for Fed Chair Jerome Powell, to make this move here as the Dow uncertainty continues here. Fox Business was reporting today that apparel stocks and retail stocks slide as China tariffs are weighing on U.S. goods and products and services here. And so, as you know, most Americans have already figured out that we're going to pay more in the short term for all of these goods here after the 104% tariffs comes on China. And so these is going to hit apparel, it's going to hit retail, it's going to hit a lot of different stocks, and also physical goods and physical stores. You're going to see more stores closing this summer here as we continue to feel the effects of not just the tariffs, but the inflation coming into play, and job losses are going to be coming into play too. People switching jobs to help get into this new economy that we're in, and that's going to be a big problem for a lot of people, not just America, but America will feel it more than say a China or Mexico or Canada or any other countries that we're trying to work out these deals with. Even India, we're trying to work out a deal with as we speak. And so we'll just have to wait and see what happens there. U.S. leading indicator declined sharply in March amid tariffs. As we continue to see here, economic activity fell sharply in March. We're seeing tepid or unsteady growth, of course. So the leading economic index dropped 0.7% last month after decreasing 0.2% in February. So you can see for this year, we've gone down 2 to 3 straight months on this index here, and we're going to continue to see that happen. So let me know in the comments what you think about this dropping of the Dow. Will you invest in stocks, or will you go to gold and silver or crypto? Let me know what you think in the comments. Talk to you very soon. God bless.